Hey guys, NickyTech here with a quick tutorial on how to format. First of all, you need to connect your device that you will format to your computer, either if it's like with the internal SATA port or if it's just by a USB or any kind of connection. So first of all, you have to go to this PC, just Windows button, this PC, simple as that, and it brings you up to this page. The one I want to format here is my Kingston 8GB. So what I do is that I right click on the medium I want to format. This works for all kind of devices and drives that you connect to your computer. So let's format. Here we have it. It's the capacity of the drive, the file system. We have the NTFS option, the FAT32 or the exFAT. NTSF is normally just for Windows and their way of formatting. It only works on Windows. You can still read on a Mac and on Linux, but you won't be able to write to the drive, so it's kind of pointless using that if you're thinking about sharing with your friends, etc. The FAT32 is compatible with most things. It's widely spread between Linux, Mac OS and Windows, but it has a limited file size. The exFAT is the same as the FAT32, but it has no limits to the file size. Also, if your drive is larger than 8 terabytes, you want to go for the exFAT because FAT32 has a limit of 8 terabytes maximum. But since it's an 8 gig USB 2.0 memory stick, I'm just going to go with the FAT32. I won't be installing files larger than 4 gigabytes there, so yeah. And you just click start. Keep in mind that everything you have on the drive that you want to format will be erased, so it will be gone. It's still possible to recover it, but getting all of the bits and the bytes back, it's gonna be difficult. And just give it like a time. The larger the drive, the longer it will take. And here we go, formatted, and everything should be clean. That's basically how to format. So fairly straightforward. Thank you guys for watching. Any questions, just comment down below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Or you can hit me up with an email if you want as well. That will be down in the description as well. Thank you for watching.